Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just find it on Amazon. If you do make a purchase, I do get a small commission. All right, so we're doing puzzle number 169 today. If we do this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 6. 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 6 and our 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 3 there, so this is our 4. That 3 means this is our 1 and 3. For this column now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so this is our 8 and 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 4, and I don't see any other help, so 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 there, so 2, 7. 5, 7 there, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 5, 7. And 7 and 9 here, so 2, 5. So it looks like the only place our 9 can be for that row is here. For this box then, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 6, and no help here, so 2, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, 7. We've got the 6 here, a 4 here, so 2, 7. 6 and 7 here, so 2, 4. So it looks like the only place our 4 can be in that box is here. All right, if we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, 6. 3 here, and a 5, so 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 3, 5. And same here, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got 1, 5, and 8, so this is our 2. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 5, and that means that our 8 has to be here. This column is missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. We can get rid of this 5 here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 1, 4, and 5, so this is our 2. no help here, so 1, 4. Four here, 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. That 2 comes over here and makes this our 4 and 1. And then we can get rid of these 4s. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 4. This is our 6 and 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 3. That 3 makes this our 5 and 3. And then we can get rid of this 5, and that 5 makes this our 1, 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 6. 4 here, so 6, 8. And an 8 here, so 4, 6. That means that our 8 must be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here and a 6 here. So this is our 3. And that 4 and 6 means this is our 5. This 2 comes down and makes this our 7, 2, 7. We can get rid of this 7. Let's see what else we can do here. We've got this 2 here, so that makes this our 6 and 2. These 4s and 6s we can just plug it in. 4, 6, that makes this 4, 6. The 2 here makes this our 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.